Hello all, this is Carol, bestplanet.com with calculating your transformer size for your lighting project. This video will apply to what I would consider simple home lighting projects where you are using lighting and cables that have predetermined lengths of cord, and most of those cords probably have quick disconnects on them. If your project involves different wire sizes to where you're cutting your wire from a spool, you're going to need a deeper dive than what will be discussed in this video. So let's get started. You will need to know the total number of lights and their wattages. If all of your light wattages are the same, you simply multiply the wattage by the number of lights and multiply by 110% for power fluctuations. So your formula is simple. It's minimum transformer size needed equals light wattage times number of lights times 110%. Let's do an example. I have 5 of these 3-watt lights shown above that I plan to use, and I need a transformer. You're going to use that formula from above. So we're going to do minimum transformer size needed equals 3 watts times 5 lights times 110% gives me the 16.5 watts. I will at least need a 16.5 watt transformer to run these lights. I would need to size up to the next available transformer. And you also should really think about if you're planning on adding more lights to this area in the future, you may even want to consider sizing up to accommodate that need as well. But for instance, for this example, I could use a 20-watt transformer. Those are readily available and quite affordable too. So that a 20-watt transformer would work for these 5 lights. Let's do another example. If I had multiple wattage sizes, I'm basically going to just use that same formula for each wattage and then add that total together. So again, same formula there. Here's our example. We have those 5 3-watt lights that we just discussed, plus I'm going to add 2 4-watt spotlights. I want to add those to that same transformer. So again, I'm going to solve the equation, the minimum transformer size needed equation, 2 different times. We got the 3 watts times 5 lights times 110% equals 16.5 watts, which that's the lights that we figured on the last slide. This one is a minimum transformer size needed for the 4 watts is going to be 4 watts times 2 lights times 110% gives me 8.8 watts. I'm simply going to add those two totals together, and that will give me a total of 25.3 watts. I'm going to need to size up to the next available transformer. In this example, a 60-watt transformer would work well for this application, and those are quite readily available as well. You know, if math is not your thing, no worries. We offer a calculator on each lighting page, on each lighting product page at the bottom for your convenience. You simply input the wattage of your lights, and we've got 2 calculators there. You see this top one is for wattages that when all the lights wattages are the same. The bottom is for multiple wattages. You enter all this information. You're going to just you're going to click inside that cell and type in your wattages and your number of lights, and either click out or hit enter, and it will calculate this information for you. Okay. Each product page will also offer related products at the bottom and other accessories. So you will simply be able to click on, for instance, that transformer page link there, and it's going to take you directly to the transformers of the same brand. So you'll be able to check from the drop-down menu and select your transformers for there. You can also find all of our calculators in the Learning drop-down menu, which is located in the upper right corner of our website. You simply hover over the word Learning and the drop-down menu will appear, and you will see a lot of our calculators there as well. And selecting the right transformer for your lights is on there as well. And when you scroll down, you're going to see the calculators there as well. We offer a lot of other calculators as well that help you with any kind of calculations that may help you better determine exactly what you need. So I hope this helps. If you have questions, feel free to email me at carol@bestplanet.com. I'd love to be able to help you. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.